Plantain is becoming one of the favorite things I love eating. Yes, I'm beginning to notice that. So today I'm going to show you one of the ways I prepare my plantain porridge. Here are the ingredients I am going to use. You can use as many ingredients as you want to. So this is the ones I can lay my hands on. So you can see we have a plantain, we have a vegetable, we have onions, crayfish, salt, pepper, palm oil, bell pepper, what else? And carrots. I also used onions. Okay, so you have to prep all the ingredients and the condiments that you need to prepare your plantain. You can see I have just sliced the onions, the bell pepper, and the carrots. Here I am washing the plantain. Make sure you wash your plantain very well. Then you peel and slice into cubes, or your choice. Just do it your way. Okay, you peel and then you cut. Okay, you can see they are ready, and you can see this is the size I wanted it. Okay, that's why I made it. I cut it to this size. You can cut to any size of your choice. And here is the vegetable. This vegetable is garden egg. Is another kind of garden egg. Okay, and this is the leaf. In Yoruba it is called agbo. I love this vegetable. I use it to cook everything, like everything. Okay, so you slice it. You see how big I slice it. I love my veggies big in my porridge. You can see everything is ready, so it is cooking time. I've placed the pot on fire. I've added water to the pot. I poured in the plantain. I stir it to make sure water covered it. Okay, cover to cook. You allow it to cook a little, then you check. Then I added my carrots. You allow the carrot to cook a little, then you stir and add other ingredients. I used to love my veggies fresh. I don't like overcooking my veggies, so I've just added crayfish, pepper, and salt. I didn't add seasoning. Okay, the plantain is already sweet, so no need of adding seasoning to it. This is one of the ways I prepare my plantain. I've just added palm oil. Yes, I stir very well. You can see the color has finally come together. Then I added my veggie. Yeah, you stir. This, after stirring, I just carried it down. I didn't allow it to stay on the fire. After stirring, I just turned off the stove, and here our porridge is ready. This was super filling, delicious, and it's a healthy food. I hope you'll be trying this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, so enjoy. See you guys in my next video. I remain your girl, Lucy. Ciao.